Hello, my name is Robert Hutchinson. Today we're going to show you some of my web design rankings in Bing for all these cities: Yakima, New York, Eugene, Tri-Cities, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Seattle, Spokane, and Portland. And I am on page 1, page 3, or at worst page 9 for all of these cities, okay? In Bing search results, okay? So we're going to go to the first website we're going to look up, which is YakimaWebSiteDesign.com. We're typing Yakima Web Design in Bing. So now we're going to Bing, type in Yakima Web Design. Now I should come up pretty high ranked for this term here. As you see, my business listing is #1 here, and my website is ranked #1 right here, YakimaWebSiteDesign.com. That's my phone number, 1-509-910-7727. Give me a call on the phone, people. I'm glad to help you with your SEO or your web design or your web design services you need for your website, whether it's a redesign or a whole new website. I can definitely help out with that. And this is what my website looks like if you get into it. It looks like this. Most good business relationships are built on mutual trust and respect. We are high ranked for web design in 8 major cities, and then I have these listed out right here on YakimaWebSiteDesign.com. Okay, now let's go back to let's go to the next one. Now let's do New York Web Design in Bing, and my website is NewYorkWebSiteDesign.co. So now we're going back to Bing, and we're going to type in New York Web Design this time. So we type in New York. Okay, so type in New York Web Design, and we're scrolling down. As you can see here, my website is #1 ranked. NewYorkWebSiteDesign.co, New York Web Design and SEO Company, and that's the same phone number, 1-509-910-7727. And this gives you proof, people, that even in a major city like New York, I can get you high ranked for the search term. This is an extremely competitive search term, people. New York is an extremely competitive market for web design. Okay, people? And then that site looks like this. It looks a little bit different. Our business wants to earn your trust. Why should you trust us with your online business? Our proven results, okay? And that website might be changing a little bit here in a little bit, but right now this is what it looks like as well too. Okay, so now we're going to go back to Bing, and we're going to do the next site, okay? So the next site is Eugene Web Design. Now Eugene is located in Oregon, somewhere near Portland, okay? So let's go back to the search engine and type in Eugene Web Design this time. And my website, EugeneWebDesign.co, should be high ranked in top couple of spots. So let's see if it's high ranked. So scrolling down, and as you can see here, EugeneWebDesign.co is #2 ranked. And as you can see here, the same phone number and kind of the same title tag as well too for Eugene Web Design. Okay, and those are 3 cities that I'm #2 or the 1 spot for in Bing. Okay, so let's go to the next city. So now that we're going to do Tri-Cities Web Design. Now Tri-Cities is located in Washington State. Okay, Washington State. So Tri-Cities Web Design. Scrolling down, and as you can see here, my site's about #5 ranked for Tri-Citieswebdesign.com, and that's my website right there. Okay, so that's #5 spot on page 1, people, in the search results. So I'm on page 1 for 4 major cities in Washington and New York and Oregon as well, or in Oregon as well too. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Now we're going to do San Francisco Web Design. Now this site should be on page 2 in Bing, and I did recently check these results on I think it's March 14th or 15th, correct, right now, of 2019. So let's type in San Francisco Web Design and see if I'm on page 2 in Bing search results. So typing in San Francisco Web Design. Just click right there. I should be on page 2, people, for this term here. Last time I checked it, at least, which was about 5 or 10 minutes ago. So scrolling down, didn't see it on the front page. So go into page 2. Okay, page 2. And you should see that phone number again here. As you can see here, I'm number 14th ranked for San Francisco website design.co. And there's my phone number again. And a similar title tag and description tag for San Francisco people. So that's great too. So on that site, I'm on page 2 for San Francisco Web Design, which is great, people. And all these sites do look similar, people. And I used a similar layout and similar graphics on all these websites. The only difference is the city name has changed. Okay, so now we're going to go to the next one. Now we're going to do Los Angeles, I think is the next one. And it's having a little trouble skipping here. Hold on a second. Let's go back. Okay, now we're doing Los Angeles Web Design. Now I should be on page 3 for Los Angeles website design.co. Okay? So we're going back to Bing search results again. Sorry if this seems repetitive and seems boring to you, but this does prove, people, that I can get you extremely high ranked in search engines for any competitive key term you need in any city, in any niche, in any market, people. Okay? So I can definitely help out with your website, make your website look professional with a site from themeforest.net and do a custom WordPress layout for your website, which is easy for me to do. But the reason you want to go with my services and not just buy it from themeforest.net is because I seriously can build you a totally custom website that has good SEO, good structure of text and backlinks and everything else you need to get #1 ranked in the search engines, which you will struggle to do if you try to do it by yourself unless you have the 10 years plus of knowledge of SEO like I do. Okay, so now we're on page 3 for Los Angeles Web Design. And as you can see here, number 19th ranked, Los Angeles website design.co. There's my website right there. Right there, ranked on page 3. Oh, excuse me, page 3, so it's ranked 29th, excuse me, not 19th. 29th on page 3. Let's see, page 3. And there's my website, Los Angeles website design.co. Okay? So that's also great, too, people, for great term to be high ranked for web design. And these rankings will go up over time as well too, people. I will definitely help get these websites more backlinks and help them get even higher ranked. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is Seattle Web Design. Okay, and I should be on page 3 for that term as well too. So we're scrolling back up and we're going to type in Seattle Web Design. Now the reason I show you all these cities and all these rankings is I just want to show you how big of a web design firm we are. We're pretty much the #1 web design firm on the West Coast as far as our level of service that we can provide for you as well too. Okay, so now we're looking for SeattleWebDesign.co on page 3 of Bing for the term Seattle Web Design. Okay, as you can see here right at the top, SeattleWebDesign.co. There's my phone number again, 1-509-910-7727. Guaranteed results is what our motto is. And as you can see here, this is the Seattle site. This is SeattleWebDesign.co. As you can see here, it has a similar layout to New York website design.co. It just has Seattle stuff changed in the text and information as well as that too. And that's on page 3, people. Okay, page 3 of Bing for Seattle Web Design. Okay, and now we're going to go back to Bing search results and do a couple more here. So the next one we're going to do is let's get forward. Okay, let's go back. We're going to do Spokane website design.co, and we're going to look up the term Spokane Web Design. Now Spokane is located in Washington State, if you didn't know that. So let's go up here, type in Spokane. Okay, so Spokane Web Design. Now I probably am on page 1 or 2 for this term, so let's see what happens here. Okay, scrolling down, Spokane Web Design is the term we're looking up here in Bing search results. And we're looking for Spokane websitedesign.co. As you can see here, Spokane websitedesign.co is number 10th spot, people, on page 1 for that term as well too. But I'm low on the ranking, so if you look it up, it might be on page 2 or get even higher ranked over time on page 1. But it's currently on page 1 for Spokane Web Design. And again, that's my phone number. And remember, all these sites look similar, and I have uploaded a good template and a good structure of HTML code and H1, H2, and H3 tags with my website to get them high ranked, and got them lots of backlinks as well too, people, to help with my SEO rankings. Okay, so going back up, and that was the term Spokane Web Design, and we were all at number 10th ranked on page 1. And then the last one I'm going to do is probably the worst one that I'm ranked for, which is on page 9, which is portlandwebsitedesign.co. So we're going back to Bing search results. Now remember, Portland is the city I am lowest ranked on, which is on page 9. But if just to get on any page is somewhat impressive, but to get to the page 1 is really impressive. Page 2, somewhat impressive, and page 3, still pretty impressive too for these terms as far as web design services go. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here, click on page 5, and then click on page 9, hopefully if it comes up, and page 7, so click on page 7 again too, and we're looking for portlandwebsitedesign.co. It should be on page 9 if you type in Portland Web Design in the search engine results in Bing. Okay, as you can see here, I'm on page 7. For some reason, it's showing up on page 7. Sorry, I was inaccurate on that. I'm higher ranked than I think I am. So for portlandwebsitedesign.co, and again, that's my phone number, 1-509-910-7727. I am on page 7 of Bing search results for Portland Web Design. Okay, and then again, too, we're going to talk about my contact information. And I'm the CEO of Mind-Binding Web Design. My name is Robert Hutchinson. And yes, I can help make you $1 million with your website, possibly even more. 5, 10, 100 grand a month. You never know what I could do for a level of services for your company. Again, my phone number is 1-509-910-7727. My email is Robbie, that's R-O-B-B-Y, at websitedesign777.com. And my Skype is Robbie Hutch, if you want to get a hold of me by Skype. Thank you for watching my video on web design services.